Hi, George. You just don't know what you want, do you? Did you hear the snow coming off the neighbor's house? Oh boy, it's coming off. It's gonna be a minute though. It'll sound funny when it does. Speaking of sounding funny, you sound kind of funny. Is it cold out here? You gonna step on Mama's feet because it's too cold on your feet? Come on. What are you doing? I thought you wanted to play. How many times have you been in and out of the house today yet, George? Huh? How many times? Do you know? Ouch. Hey, that's Mama's leg. Stop it. Turd ball. Butthead. Alright, well, Mama needs to get the shovel, and Mama needs to get ready to go see the birds. Okay? Where's BB? Did you lose BB? Don't do it again. No. Alright, we'll see you later.